So Moto Edge 50 Fusion. I have recently made a video about the Moto Edge 50. If you have not watched that video, you can go and watch that in my YouTube channel. I will leave a link to that in the description box as well as here in the sidecar section. So let's start with this Moto Edge 50 Fusion mobile. First of all, this mobile comes with a 6.7 inches of bigger 144Hz refresh rate OLED display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and this mobile comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 1. I think this might be the first mobile which comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 1 processor. This is also a octa-core 5G processor. Now when I talk about the 5G, you need to know about the 5G bands, right? Yes. It comes with a 13 5G bands in this mobile. By the way, this mobile will be available in different variants like 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants. These are UFS 2.2 storage capacities along with the LPDDR4X RAM types, the cost cutting. And this mobile will be comes with three camera, and this mobile comes with a dual camera setup at the back side, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the optical image stabilization and a 13 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. For the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. To power up this mobile, it comes with a huge battery, that is a 5000 milliamp of battery, and it supports 68 watts of fast charge through wire. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any wireless charge or reverse wireless charge supportings. And when we talk about this operating system, it comes with the Android version 14 out of the box with the Moto UI. And this mobile comes with a stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack like all the mobiles which are coming in the market these days. And this mobile comes with a plastic body and glass front, like it's a polycarbonate body. And when we talk about the box contents, it comes with a mobile itself, TPU case, SIM ejector tool, charger and a cable and some quick start guides or something like that. And this mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor and compass, everything. It doesn't skip any this mobile it doesn't have any IP68 water and dust resistance, so that is also a feature we had to discuss. And yeah, this is not a edged mobile, this is a corner to corner mobile, not edge mobile. And this mobile comes with a price tag of, this is the major important thing that we need to know about this mobile price tag. This mobile, you can consider that this mobile comes under 30,000 rupees of budget. That is, it comes with a price tag of, like according to the news until now, it might comes with a price tag of 28,999 rupees, almost 29,000 rupees. So this mobile will release only in India this month, so you have to wait and buy this mobile until this mobile releases. So these are the features of this mobile. If you like this video, hit the like button and also the subscribe button. I will also leave a link to other videos of my channel in the description box down below as well as here in this iCard section, so you can directly go and watch them from there. And you can also comment and tell me which videos you want to see in my channel next, so that I will make the videos on